Welcome back to Moonstone Crafts, and today I have for you guys my anticipated unboxing of, I think you know, my evermoment, because it's in a tube. So I'm really excited. I will put, of course, as always, the details first on the screen for you right now, so you guys can see. Everything. And this is a custom. This is my first ever diamond painting custom. And of course I bought it from evermoment because I knew there were good things about them. I tried them out first with a normal pick. And they were decent enough. So I waited until there was a little bit of a... Just before there was a sale, the prices actually dropped the day before. Because I had it in my cart for a few weeks actually, to see when the price would be the lowest. And when it was like 10 euros lower than it was before, I grabbed the opportunity and bought it right away. So that was good. Let me get this out. I can't turn the package for the rest because, of course, my address is on this and I didn't cover it up because I thought, well, I can just use the other side. So I brought this knife in the hope I could open it up. But I don't want to get rid of the ribbon. That is the evermoment, so that's why I'm doing this slowly and out of shot for you guys. But here we go. It's almost here. Get rid of the package, and there we go. There's the evermoment. So excited. Evermoment. There we go. This is the one side where the sticker is on, so I guess that's where you can open it. We have some purple washi tape. My last evermoment I had the blue one, so I'm happy that it's at least a different color. That's the washi tape you get as a gift with them. There we go. Okay, so there's gonna be 3 packs of colors in here, or of drills in here. Let's get the canvas out. So this is a custom painting from my dog. My dog, not duck, dog. His name is Baloo and he's 13 years old now. And if you've seen my last whip and chat, he was not doing very well a few days ago, a week or so ago. But he recovered, luckily. But this is the pick that I made into a custom, and it is a 60 by 75, so it's a big one. And now I can see it has 43 colors. I didn't think there would be that many colors in it. So yeah. And they have this fancy new sheets, because last time I checked I had my evermoment, which was still this year, just after they opened, when they had a little break because of the new year in China. When they reopened, I ordered my first evermoment and they still had just A4 white sheets, but now they have these fancy new purple sheets with all their info in 2 different languages. But it says exactly the same, and I think a lot of you guys know already what that is. If you don't, you can ask me in the comments and I will tell you guys. And also the background of this one is very fancy. It's about the inventory, and that they always measure by weight, and that you have to unroll it slowly. So yep, that's gonna be a task. Oh, the little baggies you get with them. I like that they give you so many baggies. That's good. I always enjoy those. And just trying to get the drills out so that I can relax the canvas. Ooh, the toolkit. Ooh, that one back is very full. So not really the colors I expected a lot of. I was expecting not that many colors, but there we go. This is the toolkit I'm gonna show you guys. Just gonna let the canvas sit there for a moment and we'll do some other things first. So it can relax for a bit. So let's check out the toolkit. They have the very sharp tweezers where the lid is off, so let's put that back on. With their branding on it. It says evermoment. And these are the very sharp ones. So you have to keep this lid on. So this is my second pair of those tweezers that I have. They have this very nice pen with a double squishy on top. And I enjoyed working with this pen. This one is looser than my last one though. And it has a 3-placer at the end. So it's just a pink pen with a little bit of a squishy and a 3-placer. And you also get a clear 6-placer, which I enjoyed. I actually worked with that one. You get a normal white tray, the Mosfa one. Which are always good, and your pink wax, the big one strips too. So that is the toolkits that you get with your evermoment. I like that their baggies are also branded, so it says that it's the tools from evermoment. On this one it says that it's the baggies from evermoment. On this one it says it's the gift. I will quickly unwrap that for you guys too. And this unboxing I hope is not too long because it is so hot in my room right now when I'm filming. There's a heat wave here in the Netherlands right now, so it's not really very pleasant to be here. Let's get this out of shot. So let's check. This is bag 1. And I'm worried of getting those diamonds out. There's lots of blues, of course whites. Let me check because I was wondering if this one would have the white. No, it doesn't have B5200, but it has 3865. Let me see what it says that we have the most of. We have a lot of 310, which I thought we would have. 939, we even have more 939. 3041 we have a lot of, and some 3860, but I will just slowly show you guys. So if you really want to see what's in here, if you recognize the DMC, you can see it there, because I'm not gonna get this out of the bags. This one has a lot of the greens, which is in the background, of course, the greenery, and some pinks. So there is some pink in here. And this painting has a lot of the big bags and not the smaller ones. Those smaller ones are in this one, in the third bag, which is a mishmash, but a lot of greens. I know, because a lot of the background, of course, will be green. So let's get those drills out of the way. Let's get the sheets out of the way, and let's try to open this beast. I probably shouldn't do this. I don't think it even fits on my table here, but I probably shouldn't do this because I'm not gonna work on it right away. And it may create rivers because I'm not gonna recover it right away because I don't have anything to recover it with. It has 2 sheets, that's all I can see already. So I'm just gonna try to put this gently, and you can't see, but I don't have enough shot. And I might have to move the camera later on for you guys to see the whole picture, because it's big, you guys, it's big. It just fits on the table. So yeah, that's pretty nice actually. It's just as big as the table. That's gonna be another beast to work on. I'm excited, but I'm also like, yeah, not right now. Not gonna do that right now. So let's open it up. I have no idea how it goes. I think this is the bottom part. If I see the symbols, they're on the bottom. They go to the bottom of this side. Oh, this looks like hell. This is a lot of confetti. Oh my god. I didn't expect it to be that confetti-ish. I mean, the background, maybe I did expect it, but you can't see anything in this. And I cannot even see my dog. Yep, this is gonna take a long time for me to complete. I can tell you guys that already. So I'm gonna move myself actually. Because I just can. So I might be a bit louder now because I'm closer to the camera. Because, yeah, it's big. I can tell you guys that. I can see the mushroom that's right here. You can't see it, it's out of shot. I will move you guys later on. Because you can't see. I have to move around to even open this up. Oh, it's closing up again. But I'm gonna show you the drill fields. And you're all gonna be like, what did you do to yourself? Because I do love confetti. I mean, I really do. I can see my dog's mouth. Like, but that's about anything. Oh my god. Yeah. I'm not sure what I got myself into. It's gonna be stunning, of course, but yeah, it's I'm curious to see how this is gonna turn out. So I will move you guys. So let me get you off. So hold on a minute. You're gonna go for travel. I hope I can do this a bit smoother. Do have to walk around in this tidy space that I have in my room. There we go. You can see kind of a figure, but it's not like it's clear. Like this is the mushroom that he's sitting behind, and this is all the leaves and the forest. This is his tail, and as you can see, this is his mouth, and here are his ears and his eyes. But I mean, I'm curious to see how this is gonna turn out. It's gonna be one heck of a job because I'm gonna zoom you guys in. This is like quite normal, but like the first part that I opened, I'm just gonna bring you down here. Look at all those symbols. It's gonna be a heck of a job. It's gonna be an accomplishment. But yay for me loving confetti, because otherwise you couldn't do this piece. There's not really any color blocking whatsoever. And it's big, as I was saying before. So this is now on my to-do list. We'll see when I have time to do it. But yeah, I have to mentally prepare as well for this one. It is stunning, but man, oh man, it is big and confetti heavy. Let's say that. I'm hoping it turns out well. Just looking at his face. I'm happy you can see something at least. So I didn't open it up. There's still a bit there, but that's just the forest as well. So it's just more background. So more confetti probably. So yeah, I'm gonna close this up. I'm gonna also end this video here because I just want to gently put it, close it up again. But yeah, I don't have anything else to show you. I showed you the drills, just quick. And when I do getting up for this project, when I get to that point, you will of course see all the bags and everything that I need. But for now, this is good. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think. Do you think this is gonna turn out great? Or do you think, what the hell did you get yourself into? Like, let me know what you think about this. And if you will be happy with this. I will show you guys the picture. So again, so this is the picture that it's supposed to be. And this is what it looks like now. So yeah. I think I did it myself with the background and everything, the confetti. That's what I gave them, so that's what I got. And I ordered it big, so that's why there's more confetti. But yeah, I'm happy, I'm pleased. So let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.